We'll cover ghost guns and the proposed Untraceable Firearms Act. Ghost guns, also known as kit guns or 80% guns, are unregistered firearms without serial numbers. The Untraceable Firearms Act aims to place strict limitations on obtaining and manufacturing these guns. However, data doesn't support the idea that ghost guns lead to violent crime. The proposed law would infringe on our Second Amendment right to bear arms and violate our Fourth Amendment right to privacy. This has a historical precedent in the American Revolution when the British tried to confiscate guns from colonists, leading to the shot heard round the world and sparking the revolution. Subscribe Libertarian Facts.